In this video, I'm going to show you how to use musical mode in Cubase. Now, to use musical mode in Cubase, you're going to have to enable it first, and what this will do is basically automatically time stretch and match audio loops to your project's tempo. So you can turn it on by going to the top right over here, clicking on this Setup Window Layout button, which is like the very top right icon here, the cogwheel, and you want to enable the info line. Now, when you enable this info line over here, you simply want to go to your tracks. You want to click on any audio clip, and here in the top right it says musical mode. You want to go and click in here, and it's going to enable it, and now it's going to say musical. Now when this is going to be active, your audio files will dynamically follow any project BPM changes, just like MIDI data, which is quite cool. Okay, so that's how you turn this on, and of course if you want to turn it off, you can just go and disable it like that, and that's essentially all you have to do. Okay, so that's how to use it. Super simple. And then of course, as I said, when of course you change something like BPM, it's going to automatically adapt. Okay, so if I go down here like this and of course change something like tempo, stuff like this, as you can see, there we go, it actually automatically adjusted according to my tempo. Okay, which is amazing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.